Underdesk cable mess can be a headache to sort out. Scandinavian Hub Underdesk Cable Management Tray takes care of this mess, prevents underdesk electric shock, keeps pets from chewing cables, keeps kids from touching cables, helps to organize underdesk cable mess. The updated design allows for screwless installation, which is perfect for glass desks. Ventilation holes in the bottom of the tray allow for greater airflow, keeping surge protectors cool at all times. Every tray comes with premium cable straps to further organize the cables. For screwless installation, peel off the red protective film from the super strong double-sided tape and simply attach the tray to the desk. For removal, simply pull off the tray. The new and improved tape leaves absolutely no residue on the desk. The package includes 1 full sheet cable management tray, 2 premium cable straps, 4 screws for underdesk installation. For underdesk installation, simply cut out the template, use a 7 64-inch 3mm drill bit, and drill pilot holes for an effortless installation. Use a Phillips head screwdriver and fix the provided screws. There are 5 ways to install the Scandinavian Hub Underdesk Cable Management Tray. The screwless method. Facing the front of the desk. Facing the back of the desk. On the overhang of the table. And it can even be mounted to the wall, creating a safe work environment for every need. For honeycomb-filled IKEA desks, Linnmon and Skarsta, only the screwless installation method is recommended. The paper filling inside the honeycomb desk is not designed to hold any weight. The Scandinavian Hub Underdesk Cable Management Tray is specifically designed to accommodate home use surge protectors.